Forget all the other marinades. Try this one for tender and juicy chicken, and you won't want to change it anymore. You will start by taking fresh herbs, parsley, or cilantro, depending on your preference. Or you can also mix both. For my part, I took parsley and chopped it finely. Next, in a large bowl, I squeeze half a lemon, then I add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I continue by adding a tablespoon of tomato paste. I mix some plain Greek yogurt. I add 4 big heaping tablespoons of it, a generous olive oil drizzle. Then, time for the spices. I added salt, pepper, turmeric, smoked paprika. Then I added some herbe de Provence and a garlic and roasted bell pepper seasoning. Obviously, you're free to add whatever you like. The marinade is almost ready. We just need to mix everything well until we get a smooth marinade. And then we're going to add the chopped parsley, then add some water, about 150 ml, and mix well. We're going to use this marinade for absolutely all our ingredients. So we're going to start by taking some shallots. I took 5 because they're really very small. Then we're going to slice them into strips like this in a large oven-safe dish. We're going to drizzle some olive oil and then add our little strips of shallots. We add a little bit of marinade, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. That's enough. Then we'll need 6 medium-sized potatoes, which we'll slice into thin rounds and arrange them like this, in a row. Each little potato slice should have its own place. Then we're going to put marinade all over the potato slices. Don't hesitate to taste your marinade to make sure it's well balanced. Then I took 2 small spring chickens, cut them in half, and placed them directly on the potatoes. I pour all of the marinade, making sure everything is well covered, especially the chicken. Next, we're going to dampen a sheet of parchment paper, wring it out well, and place it on top. This will allow the potatoes to cook gently and also help the chicken stay nice and tender and juicy. We also cover it with aluminum foil and bake it at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Then we'll take everything out and bake it for another 40 to 45 minutes until the chicken is nicely golden and crispy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you soon.